All right, I have to tell you how much I appreciate people, especially when they're sliding into my DM and asking me questions like, what do I need to do to become healthier? That's a great question, although it's just the wrong question. Most people have this interpretation. They feel they need to do their way to what they want to create. In my case, it's a fitter, trimmer, a leaner physique. People reach out to me all the time in regards to regulating blood pressure or getting out of a diabetic state, getting off their medications. I mean, there's hundreds of outcomes that people want to create. But here's what I see all the time. People put up all this effort in doing more of the doing without ultimately getting what they want to create. Why? Because they're honestly not being the type of person to earn this outcome. So consider this. Whatever outcome you desire in this precious journey that we call life, you must first be the person and have the characteristics to do what you know that you need to do to create a sustainable result. So the real question is not what, but who do I need to become in order to create the healthier life that I desire? Now that is a phenomenal question. Make it a day worth repeating.